everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. If you are new, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys two looks for the Valentine's Day, or you can even wear this for your farewell, freshers, or maybe for any event in between. It's very easy, very simple, very wearable and very affordable too. So this one is the first look. You guys have been asking me to create this look ever since I uploaded the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick reviews and swatches, and you guys loved this look so much and I equally love this look. This is my go-to look. I just wear this every time in real life. It is just so simple to create and so wearable. I have just used two eyeshadows and yeah, that is all for this look. And I'm so sorry for taking so much time to recreate this look because I know so many of you guys liked this look and you wanted to see a tutorial on this, but I had my exams going on and it was just so much of chaos. But anyway, I'm sure you will like this look. The second look is a continuation of this. I've just added a colored liner and a dark lipstick, and that is all for the second look. This is also very wearable. You can mix and match the color of your lipstick and the liner to your dress, and it just looks so simply stunning and as if you have put a lot of effort to create this look, whereas we all know that it is literally so simple. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy watching these tutorials. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. I look so dull, you guys, and it's so cold. I mean, I can't even. It's raining cats and dogs since 2 days here, and I'm so sorry if my voice sounds like a hyena. I have a sore throat. But anyway, let's just get started. So first I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. So I'm going to use this Pond's light moisturizer, and also it's so gloomy here, so I have my ring lights on, like both of my ring lights on. So if the video looks a little too white or a little too yellow, then please do not mind that. So yeah, now I'm just going to apply it really nicely. It's very important to do your skincare before you lay your makeup, because if you have a moisturized skin, then the makeup will glide on better and will also stay better and look better. So just make sure you have a good skincare on. Next, I'm going to apply some lip balm because of course you want that kissable soft lips. So this is the Khadi Natural Wine Grapefruit Lip Balm. I really like this lip balm. It has been my favorite since months now. Yeah, just apply your lip balm so that your lips are prepared for all the lipstick and they do not look like very dry and chappy. Next, I'm going to apply this Miniso Glow Protection Cream in 02 Lavender. This is how it looks, and this is not a primer, but I just really like the glowy effect it gives to the skin. So you can say that it is a hydrating primer and not a primer that blurs your skin or minimize your pores. It will just add a little bit of glow. It has like a sheen to it. So I'm just going to apply it on the centers of my face because I do not want to look like a glow bulb. But if you have like dry skin and your skin lacks that glow, then you can definitely go all over your face. I just have really oily skin. Next, for my foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige, and this was the foundation that I was wearing the other day too. So I'm just going to apply it. You just want to even out your skin with the help of the foundation, and also don't forget to take your foundation down the neck, otherwise your face and neck might look of different color. So yeah, just take it down the neck. I think I want to do my eyebrows before I move on to my concealer. So to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Savannah Colors eyebrow powder. I am obsessed with these eyebrow powders. I think they are so easy and so natural looking. I'm not overdoing my eyebrows, I'm just filling them in. You see how I'm filling my eyebrows. I'm first just lining the top part and then I'm filling it in, and with whatever is left in the brush, I'm just applying it on my starting point of the brows. So yeah, I have my eyebrows done, and now we will move on towards the concealer. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm just very slightly going to apply it under my eyes and like around my mouth. So I'm just going to take a blending brush. This is an eyeshadow blending brush. I think these are more precise to blend. So I'm just going to blend it under my eyes. This will just brighten the area a little. You don't want to overdo your concealer because that will just end up looking cakey. And also I do not really understand the concept of piling so much makeup on your skin when you don't really require it. So if you do not have so much of dark circles or pigmentation, then you really do not require so much of product. So just know your skin, know your requirements, and then use the products accordingly. So after concealing my face, I'm just going to powder it. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm going to use the banana shade from right here. I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Around my mouth. Like you see, I'm not just dragging the powder, I'm just tapping it in so that my concealer is set into place, and I'm just applying it on my T-zone so that it does not get oily throughout the day. A little bit on my nose, and then you just want to take a powder brush and dust the powder all across your face. After that, I'm going to move towards my eyes, and for my eyes I'm just going to use two eyeshadows. Both of them are Miss Claire single eyeshadows. The lighter one is in the shade 0215 and the darker one is in the shade 0210. So I'm first going to start with the lighter shade. It is a pukey brown color. I'm going to take it on my brush, tap the excess, and I'm directly going to apply it on my crease, and I'm just going to, you know, slightly wing it out like so. You can also use a bronzer, like any warm bronzer, to do this step. I'm also going to take that eyeshadow, pinch it and apply it on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to take the darker shade and I'm just going to take it on a flat shader brush. You can also use your fingers for this. And I'm just going to apply it on my lid space. Oh, I'm getting some fallouts. Take that clean brush again, and I'm just going to blend the edges out and fade the demarcation between these two colors. And that is all for the eyeshadow part. And next I'm going to take the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. This is a very long lasting kajal, and this is the kajal that I applied the other day too, and it is very jet black. I really like this kajal. So I'm just going to apply it on my waterline first. I also applied this kajal the other day, and you guys just kept asking that which kajal it was. It was not smudging, it stayed on for a very long time. So this was the one. Now after you have applied it on your lash line, you also want to tight line with this. What tight lining will do is that it will make your eyelashes look more longer and your eye look more complete. Like a lot of time what happens that you have applied some mascara, some kajal, but still, you know, you see that line, that beige color line, so it will just conceal that and will make your eyes look more smoky and, you know, your lashes longer. And now with the same kajal, I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm not going to smoke it out, I'm just, you know, applying it very precisely like so. Now for my mascara, I'm going to take the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I just really love this mascara. It's curling, it's lengthening, it's volumizing. So I'm just going to take it to the very root of my eyelashes. Now that's it, you guys. This was all I did for my eyes. It was so simple and so quick. Now next I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm using again the Wet n Wild Mega Glow bronzing contouring powder, and I'm just going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks. I'm also trying to sculpt my cheeks, so I am keeping it quite precise, but I will of course blow it out. I'm also applying it on my jawline so that they look sharp and you know, there's no double chin visible. Also a little bit on my forehead because I have like a really big forehead. Now again just blending it out. Now after that I'm going to apply some blush, and the blush which I'm going to use is the Flower Beauty a blush in the shade Peach Primrose. I just really love this shade. It's so damn beautiful and it just complements my skin tone so well. Again just going to apply it right there, blending it in with my bronzer, and just taking a little bit of that on my nose too, like whatever is left in the brush. And that's it for the blush. Now the final step is highlighter, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. I'm just going to take it with my fingers, and I'm, you know, sort of just blending it between my fingers so that I do not apply excess. And I'm just going to apply it with my fingers right there for that, you know, natural glow. I do not want to look like I have applied a ton of highlighter and, you know, to the point that it looks very unnatural. Also a little bit like here, so when I turn my head like this, you see like a really nice glowy skin and not like just a streak of highlighter. I am also going to apply it on the tip of my nose. I really like my tip to be highlighted. Then a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that below my brow, below my arc of my brows, like just a little bit, to, you know, kind of lift my eyebrows up. Do not just, you know, go all over from the starting point of your eyebrows to till the tail, because especially if you have hooded eyes, that would just make your hood appear more significant, so you do not want to do that. And I'm also just going to apply it on my inner corners. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use a Lakme Forever Matte Liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Twist. I'm just going to apply it on my lips. You can go for any shade you want. You can even go for a red. I just wanted to stick to my nude, but I will be going on with a bright lip for the second look. So yeah, that was it for my first look. Very easy, very wearable, very simple to create, and personally my go-to makeup look. Now for my second look, I have already removed my lipstick. I am going to start with my eyeliner, and for that I'm going to use my Lakme Insta liner. This is in the shade Blue. Yeah, Blue. I'm just removing the blue liner from the tip of my lashes. Yeah, I know I have some eyeliner on my cheek, but I'll just remove it. I'm waiting for it to dry so that I can flake it off easily. Now to remove this eyeliner from right here, I'm just going to take a spoolie and I'm going to, you know, kind of just like that brush it off. Now you can just leave it like that, apply another coat of mascara to conceal the blue, but I am also going to apply some eyelashes. These are the pack eyelashes in the number M72. This variant is very natural looking. It does not take away anything from your eye look. So I am going to use these Burmese Dream or Burmese, whatever you call it, liquid lipsticks, and I got it in PR and they are very beautiful. These liquid lipsticks are available on their websites and they are not Indian websites, so you might have to pay a little bit of shipping to get it to India. These retail for Australian dollar 12.9 I suppose, which sums up to rupees 620 in Indian rupees. And if you can't get this, I am giving you a shade alternative. This is the Purple HD Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Texting Partner. So this is Texting Partner and this is Prome. So I am going to apply Prome today. By the way, these liquid lipsticks are extremely comfortable to wear. They are my favorite liquid lipstick formula. They feel so velvety and like so lightweight on the lips, and they're also very long staying. Like, it's not even funny. It just stays for such a long time. I really love these liquid lipsticks. I will 100% recommend you guys to get your hands on this one if you can. So that is it for our second look too. So yes, that will be it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching both of these tutorials, and if you did, then please don't forget to comment your thoughts in the comment section below, and also like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be in my description box. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in my description box too, so make sure you check them out. And yeah, so now I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.